Hi, we're Josh and Elisa.
We're weekend warrior RVers that love to explore with our large pack of dogs.
Meet Fennec, Everest, Pyro, Raza, Fraggle, Mogul, and our newest addition, Tango.
Join us on our long weekend adventure to the historical Crowsnest Pass, where we capture some of the sights and sounds of this area's history and natural beauty. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome back. So, no kids this weekend.
Kid-free weekend.
Okay, so we're headed down to Crow's Nest Campground this weekend for May Long. We headed halfway last night down into Nanton, stayed at the Flying J. We just got our Tim Hortons now, only because bad weather. They got over 6 inches of snow. So
that was as of yesterday too, so we don't know what we're walking into today.
So we don't know how much hiking and stuff we're going to be able to do, but we're gonna try. So we really don't know what trails we're gonna be able to get into and stuff with the motorhome, but we want to try to see Lundbreck Falls. We'll see how it goes, but we are staying at Crow's Nest Campground. Follow us along.
See you there.
Bye.
You're full of confidence and cheap You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And I turn my life into an imitation. I don't know. I swear I tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I tried, you thought I would want your by my side, but baby that's
Welcome to Lundbreck Falls, everybody.
Hello, it is beautiful here.
It's pretty cool. It's kind of loud too, so hopefully you can hear us. But we've arrived, and the best part is that there's like nobody here.
I feel like that's the theme with all of our videos lately, is like we're the only people here, but once again, we are. It's a little bit earlier in the morning, and it's snowing.
It's a bit chilly, but you know what? It's not too bad. You dress warm, and it's fine. All right, we're gonna bring you down to check out the falls. Maybe a bit loud, but we made it down to Lundbreck Falls.
It seriously feels like it's raining from like the spritzes or whatever from the falls, and it's so loud.
It's so loud, so beautiful though, and so cold.
It is a little cold.
We're gonna head back up now to the RV. We got some of the dogs with us. I think they're ready to go.
Yeah.
You think you're something else, but I'm no fool. You put on quite a show and think that I dig it.
Who's talking, you or me?
Hello again, everybody. We are we're on our way to our campsite, and we decided to stop on the side of the road. We found this place called the Leech Collieries or Collieries.
It's actually closed, but we went online, and I think that it's just closed because of all the snow that they've gotten. It's open May 5th to Labor Day, and we did a little bit of research on it. Actually, Josh did, and it's like an old mining.
It's an old like coal mine cleaning and sorting place, I guess. So they get the coal from here and they clean it and sort it and then ship it to market. So
We were just driving by and saw some really cool old buildings. So we're going to get out, go for a little walk. We're just going to take one dog because I guess it's a little bit of a walk. So
yeah, we'll show you some of the sights.
see you in a bit.
This is the mine I was most proud of. Oh, I'd owned mines on the prairies before I came here, but I'd pinned my hopes on this one. It was the biggest Canadian mine in the pass. Such fine coal. We sold to Spokane. We were looking to sell as far away as the Balkans. And all those new towns springing up on the prairies, it seemed the demand would never stop. For a while, my coal cars were rattling steadily out of the mine, full to the brim. Over 100 men on a shift. And right next to the main line of the CPR, those boxcars were lined up 30 deep. I thought I had my fortune made. But then, the war in Europe took some of our market away. And strikes, I had to hire those non-union men. There was a lot of bad feeling over that. By the time we'd sorted that one out, there was hardly a market for coal.
All right, so we've come down. We didn't go too far because we left most of the dogs in the motorhome. We just have Fennec down here with us. But this is extremely cool.
Yeah, it looks like it was like the foundation of what was left or what could have been here. Obviously, there's no machinery down here from the mining era, but it's still really cool down here. It's right off the highway, so if you're passing it, you might as well pop in.
Yeah, lots of parking, easy to get to. Come see it.
Yeah.
All right, so our last stop before we get to the campground, we did a little research and we found out that they have the world's largest piggy bank here.
That's right.
I thought it was going to be a big pig, but it's
not.
like a train with a pig face, which is super cute.
We're in Coleman, Alberta, in Crowsnest Pass, obviously. It's where we are this weekend, but yeah, we found this little guy here. We put a donation in and...
there's money in there, you can hear it.
Yeah, when you drop the money in there, it sounds like there's quite a bit in there, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, we're at a cute little park too. So just off, everything that we're seeing is pretty much off the highway, which is wicked. So you don't have to travel too far, into the mountains. I'm sure there's more to do, but from what we've done today, everything's just sort of been just off the highway with us, which is really convenient.
Awesome. We'll see you at the campsite. After our delicious dinner, we decided to stay in as it continued to snow. We watched a movie in bed with our dogs and called it a night.